Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect payment methods to your Wix website. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have all your websites in one place. We have the setup, we have the home, we have the settings and the design site in the top left and top bottom left and top right corner, and the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect payment methods to your Wix website. So follow Wix payments checklist and navigate to getting paid. So we have the getting paid option here, as you can see, where you have a lot of things. Then click on connect and setup. So it is basically the first thing which you need to click on in your site dashboard. Then when you click there, hit connect payment, which will appear now. So connect payment method, as you can see, to select accept credit or debit cards with Wix. Choose your payment methods from the list that pops up. Click on the payment method you want to offer your customers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.